I've heard about the magic eraser for so long, and I didn't really understand how great it was until I finally bought it, and now I'm obsessed, and I wish I had bought this so long ago. I'm gonna give you a demo, and I'm gonna show you just how magical this is. So right now I do have some mascara on. What I'm gonna do is pretend like I got out of the shower and have it wet and how it looks like when I get out of the shower. So I have my sink here. I'm just gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna go like this, so that you guys can get a realistic view. Okay, hi! This is seriously what I look like when I come out of the shower. Scary, right? So you can see some spots I've used it. It's reusable. I'm gonna throw this in the wash, but I kind of just use different corners of it. So all you do is you get it wet. It's that simple. So I'm gonna get it wet, and then watch this. This is like so crazy. Like just a nice soft swipe, and you'll see it ends up all on there. And you just do the same thing. It's seriously magical. It takes it right off with water, which is crazy. No more having to use like cotton balls and makeup remover or wipes or whatever you do use. I've used it all. I love that it just works with water. Look at that. That's it. I didn't even have to rub hard. Now, if you want to exfoliate your skin, the side with the tag can be used for that. You would just get it wet and exfoliate your skin. When you're done, you can hand wash this, or you can throw this in your washing machine and use it again and again. I mean, it has a lifespan of years on one of these. So if you're looking for a great way to remove your makeup and even waterproof makeup, it's incredible.